What is up, guys? We're back again with another Jurassic unboxing. And today my voice isn't very good though because I got a sore throat and it very itches and it very hurts. But I gotta do another unboxing of a Jurassic. Now this is from the oh wait. This is from the Lost World series. Let me fix that. Alright. Let's do it from the back. And there's my name again. It's quite a lot. Very clean. Oh. It's the Lost World. Ooh. Cyclops Raptor. He's the only figure that I bought with no capture gear on a good condition box. There's a more smaller dinos on the way, like Delopho or Velociraptor. So this is the Cyclops Raptor. And it's very old. Let's see, if you move the tail from side to side, it makes crashing head, but it doesn't have any capture gear. Yeah. Only thing you can pose is this crouching pose, or maybe you can lift him up like that. A quadruped with the action gimmick. So another strike for Triceratops to fight. So yeah, that's the Cyclops Raptor. There's more. I ordered more vintage Jurassic Park items, but still planning to get the Hammond Collection T-Rex or the Giga or the Derizinosaurus or maybe the Carnotaurus. And yeah, so hope you like, share.